About this item: universal compatibility, perfectly compatible with any devices with a 3.5mm auxiliary port, such as Apple iPhone, iPod, iPad, headphones, hi-fi, car stereos, tablet, laptop, smartphones, MP3 player, speaker and any other audio playing devices. Attention: incompatible with life-proof cases and OtterBox cases, unparalleled sound quality, polished 24K gold-plated connectors ensure reliability and eliminate signal loss and noise possible, offer clear and stereo sound to your devices. Ultra-durable and tangle-free, with an 15,000 plus ultra-durable bend lifespan several times longer than original audio cables. You can wind it without having to worry about knots or kinks. Easy carrying and storage, double shielding significantly enhances protection against interference, and with the specially designed organizer, no messy or tangled cable anymore.